points what you are supposed to keep in mind before appearing for the examinations. Look, from last 2 years, you are having the exams online. Now, from this particular academic year, you are supposed to appear for the offline examinations. So it's going to be a bit of a difficult task for everyone, but it's not what I can say that the way the students keep that concept in mind, saying that कि बहुत difficult है offline में जाना online से करके, it's not like that over there. It's only that you have to put down some extra practice here, and once you do that, the things will become much more easier for you. Now, what you are supposed to keep in mind is while appearing for the examination, there are marks allocated for each topics. Like let us start with the residential status now. Now, while going to the residential status, what all are the important points you're supposed to keep in mind? I'll just make a brief of that, and then the different types of questions or what you expect from this residential status. I'll try to cover up that now. Now, residential status, basic format for answering you have to keep in mind is the condition. The first and the most important thing is the condition. Because if you make any mistakes in the conditions, then the whole concept goes wrong. So you have to be very particular in writing down the condition, whether it is a basic condition or whether it's additional conditions. Whatever might be the different types of questions, your conditions will remain to be the same. There is no difference in the conditions. Condition में कोई भी differences नहीं है. कोई भी questions आने दो, तुम्हारे पास residential status के ऊपर you have to write down the conditions. Then, in case of residential status, there are basic condition and additional condition. So what does the basic condition say is that you should stay in India for at least 182 days in the previous year. Or condition B says that stay in India for at least 60 days in the previous year and 365 days in the last 4 previous year immediately preceding. Now, for which previous year you are studying for? For the year 2021-22. So that means my previous year starts from 1st April 2021 and ends on 31st March 2022. ये आपका previous year है. So when your previous year ends, automatically your assessment year starts. So previous year is 2021-22. So assessment year becomes 2022-23. तो ये particular years में जितने भी amendments है, notifications है, ये सब आए हुए हैं. You are supposed to keep that concept in mind. Then basic condition में these are the major topics. Exceptional category. There are 3 people who belong to exceptional category. Now, previously I said that a person can become a resident of India when he satisfies the basic condition A or basic condition B. Basic condition A क्या कहता है? Stay in India for at least 182 days in the previous year. Or condition B कहता है stay in India for at least 60 days in the previous year and 365 days in the last 4 previous year immediately preceding. So for becoming a resident of India, either A or B, दोनों में से कोई भी condition चलेगा. लेकिन अगर आप exceptional category में हो, तो exceptional category में कौन-कौन आते हैं? There are 3 people who belong to exceptional category. Number 1, a citizen of India who leaves India for employment outside India during the previous year. Second one, a citizen of India who is a crew member of Indian ship. Third one, a citizen of India or a person of Indian origin who comes to India for a visit during the previous year. So if you are having any one of this exceptional category, that means the person can be a resident of India only when he satisfies the basic condition A. उसके लिए कंडीशन बी देखने का नहीं है. बाकी अगर एक्सेप्शनल कैटेगरी में नहीं है तो ए और बी दोनों में से कुछ भी चलेगा. लेकिन अगर आप एक्सेप्शनल कैटेगरी में हो तो खाली कंडीशन ए देखने का, बी देखने का नहीं. तो which all are the 3 people who belong to exceptional category? A citizen of India who leaves India for employment outside India during the previous year. A citizen of India who is a crew member of Indian ship. A citizen of India or a person of Indian origin who comes to India for a visit during the previous year. So if you belong to any one of this exceptional category, you will be a resident of India only when you satisfy the basic condition A. कंडीशन भी देखने का नहीं. Now once you become a resident of India, point number 2, whether you are an ordinary resident or not. Now when can a person become an ordinary resident? When he satisfies the additional condition C and D. Now what does the additional condition C and D says? Additional condition C and D के लिए you have to just keep in mind